everyone, it's Margaret Labus with the Starboard Group of Properties. I'm standing at 1800 Salle St, Unit 1 here in beautiful Regent Hill. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath condominium has everything that you need to enjoy Lake Geneva. Let's take a look. This unit features beautiful details like hardwood floors, granite counters, vaulted ceiling, and tons of natural light. The heart of this condominium is the kitchen. Miles of granite counters, tons of storage, and the adjacent keeping room is wonderful year-round. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 1800 Salle St, Unit 1. If you have any questions about this unit, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks to lead your best lake life. Cheers.